Welcome to the Muse Nomad. On my most recent trip to Japan, I needed a budget-friendly car rental for about a month. Finding something affordable in the summer high season isn't easy, especially when picking up at Fukuoka Airport. After a lot of searching, the best deal I could find was through trip.com for about 1,550 Canadian dollars. That's roughly 167,000 yen or 1,130 US dollars. The catch? It was with a company I couldn't find much information about online, Noah's Ark Car Rental. That was a little concerning at first, but everything turned out fine. A few days before the departure, Noah's Ark reached out to me via WhatsApp to confirm the pickup and told me to meet their agent in the airport parking garage. Since I had installed an eSIM on my phone, using WhatsApp was convenient and avoided the expensive roaming charges. When my flight landed on time, I messaged the agent while waiting for the luggage, and sure enough, he was already in the parking garage with the car. The whole process was smooth and much faster than my past experience with Nippon Rent-A-Car. Now the car itself, they rented me a Toyota Porte, a compact MPV Toyota produced from 2004 until 2020. The Porte is best known for a single electric-powered sliding door on the passenger side, while the driver's side has a regular swing door. It was designed with easy access in mind, especially for passengers with mobility issues or for loading child seats. The car I received was definitely older. The headlamp covers were yellowed, and according to the documents in the glove box, it was a 2012 model, meaning it was 13 years old at the time that I drove it. This fits with Noah's Ark's approach. Their cars tend to be older than those in the major rental fleets, but they make up for it with better value and extra perks. My rental included additional drivers, an ETC card for toll highways, and even child car seats if needed, all at no extra cost. If you're renting in Japan, I highly recommend getting an ETC card since it lets you use the faster cashless toll lanes. My Porte came with a 1.3-liter engine paired with a CVT automatic transmission. On paper, it produces around 95 horsepower, but in practice, it felt sluggish. The hesitation from a complete stop was frustrating, and at times it felt borderline unsafe when merging into traffic. Surprisingly, on previous trips, I had rented K-cars like the Suzuki WagonR and the Nissan Dayz, both limited to tiny 660cc engines, yet they had snappy acceleration off the line than the Porte. The layout also wasn't my favorite. In theory, the sliding passenger door should make rear access easier, but because the front seat folded forward, the front passenger actually has to get out for someone to climb in the back. On the plus side, the Porte has generous headroom, plenty of cup holders, and a surprisingly large rear storage area. However, the cargo space isn't as versatile as what I found in the WagonR or Dayz. Overall, the Toyota Porte ended up being my least favorite rental car in Japan, but the rental agency Noah's Ark is actually my favorite. Their service was outstanding, and the pickup was fast and painless, and they added another driver at no charge. And when my return flight was delayed by an Air Canada strike, they extended my rental for as long as I needed it, for only 5,000 yen per day. That flexibility was a lifesaver. So while I wouldn't rent a Porte again, I would absolutely rent from Noah's Ark. Have you ever driven a Toyota Porte? What was your impression? Let me know in the comments below.